any advice you would like to share for aspiring traders? I mean, how can they groom themselves to become a professional traders?
Okay, so there are two kind of advices that, if someone is already practicing it, think about risk, because the only differentiation that I see between a professional and an immature is that a professional would always give priority to risk. So if my team comes up to me that, Shubham, this is the strategy that we should get into, and this is what we should be deploying, my first question, and even they know this, it will be, how much is the risk in this trade? Right? I'm not really bothered about how much money we can make, because everyone is thinking that, and if the research analyst might have done obviously a good job in thinking how much money we can make, but has he done the right understanding of risk? What are the kinds of risk that is associated to it? So I believe, forecasting is not under your control.
Okay.
You might go wrong with a forecast. That's completely fine. You're not God. You don't know where it is headed. But two things is completely in your control. So I'm a big believer that you can only help things which is in your control. So the only two things that is in your control is, first, the mathematics should not go wrong.
Okay.
So you predicted Nifty will go up, it did not go up, is not your fault. But you deployed a strategy, an option strategy, let's say, which did not behave according to your forecast, is your fault because your mathematics was wrong.
Okay.
And the second thing, which is again objective, is I'm the guy who will choose how much money I'm willing to lose in this trade.
Great.
Not the market. The moment you let the market decide how much money you can lose, you're blown away. Right? So the only difference between a professional is that have your mathematics right and have your risk management plan in advance, because let's say if this room catches fire, I cannot start digging a well right then. Right? You have to be prepared.
Yes.
And generally that's how we go about it. If I take a trade, I know in advance that what is my exit point. If I get trapped, what is my next action? So I will not panic at the time when things are going wrong. I'll be in a stable mind. I know my next action point and I would go and execute that. And lastly, I believe that you cannot achieve success unless and until you get more skill sets. So get trained, learn more, and research, because best of the best models that we have followed, that we have created, we have seen that the time span or the life of the model is normally somewhere between 6 months to about 2 years.
Okay.
So if I create something today which is a very lucrative strategy, after 6 months it might just not make money, right? And that's happening because the market is so dynamic that it will keep evolving continuously, and the market would learn that, okay, it's in some kind of a range, and then you'll see that it goes in a completely different zone. So it's very important to keep researching more and more and keep adding skills. One system cannot make you money for your lifetime. It will keep evolving, and that's when you will have to spend most of your time in research. So if I see my life, I'm coding 16 hours every day.
Great.
And I'm hardly in the market and seeing the market watch. I don't watch the market more than 30 minutes every day. And most of my time actually goes behind the scene in creating the research, in creating a model, and then we then go and deploy it. So avoid the screen, spend more time in research is what is more important.
Great. Markets are dynamic and change is the only constant thing.
Yes, change is constant. Exactly.
It's a wonderful conversation.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate your time. Okay. Nice.
Thanks.